Morning students. Today let's discuss about question number 33 from second PU question paper, that it is report writing. When we come to report writing, we have got a choice question here. Either we can go for writing charts or report, that it means speech writing. When we come to report writing, I said when you choose that chart writing, we have to know what is the chart. Chart is nothing but a pictorial representation of a data, and we have to take the data from the pictures and improvise them in a paragraphs. So here we are going to see a question called, based on the given chart, write a brief report on how the PU students spend their leisure time. So when we come to this question, first we have to decide that what kind of a chart that it is. Why? Because that we have to give the name for a chart in the introduction part, so that we must have to know the kinds of charts. When we come to the charts, there are different kinds of the charts, like where the data is given in the circle, it is pie chart. Where the data is given in the rectangular boxes, it is called as a bar graph. And where the data is represented by using the lines, it is called as a line graph. And there is one more kind of a chart, that it is a flow chart. Okay, so most that we get a pie chart or the bar graph or the line graph. That's it for second view. When we come to this present picture, we can see here the data is represented on the circles. So the data is like this: 15% going out with the friends, 10% sleeping, 15% watching sports on TV, 15% they read magazines, 10% playing, and 35% watching film and serials on TV. So here, based on all this data, we have to improvise a paragraph. So the first introduction that I have given like this: the given pie chart shows how the PU students spend their leisure time. According to the given pie chart, the PUC students spend 35% of their leisure time in watching films and serials on television. It is their major leisure time pass activity. 10% of leisure time of the PUC students spent in playing and 10% for sleeping. The PUC students spend 15% of their leisure time in watching sports on TV, 15% of their free time on going out with the friends, and 15% of their leisure time reading magazines and stories. From the graph, we can conclude. So here it is very important for us, the introduction and as well as the conclusion too. When we come to that introduction, I said the given chart is a pie chart. That it means what? I named the chart as a pie, as it is represented on the circle. And when we come to that conclusion part, I said from the graph we can conclude that only 15% of their time, sorry, here I have given if their time, so 15% of their time is spent for reading. Much time is spent for entertainment in different ways or means. Here I did two mistakes. Wantedly, that here when we go on checking out the paper, every nook and corner, I said so the 15%, if their time, you can see it 15%. It is not if their time, it is of their time. So here that you can lose the marks. So that we have to avoid making these mistakes. Got it? So from the graph we can conclude that only 15% of their time is spent for reading, much time is spent for entertainment in different ways or means. They spend their leisure time equally for watching sports on TV, going out with friends, reading magazines and stories. PU students watch TV Either it may watching sports or film and serials. Altogether, they spend 50% of their leisure time on watching television. That means that they have given more their time on entertainment and 50% on their activities. So this is how that we have to conclude. So this question is very important, that it might be given for the PU level examination for 4 marks. Sorry, it is for 5 marks. When we come these kind of questions, right, we have to observe the chart first and analyze the data given, and we have to think once before we start writing in what way that, or in what manner that we could improvise the given data. Thank you, one and all.